and event of the school, our annual day program. A very warm welcome to all our distinguished guests, Chairman Sir, Principal Ma'am, Manager Sir, Headmistress Ma'am, friends of the school, and dear parents. An extended heartiest welcome to Honorable Chairman Sir, Mr. Lakshman Sagar, who, with his enterprising guidance, has metamorphosed this institution as the temple of learning. Welcome, sir, for sparing your precious time to encourage the young children as they showcase their talents on the dais. I also extend a warm welcome to our most respected principal, Dr. Prabha Kaushik, for being a pillar of support and encouragement for all of us. Welcome, ma'am. An extended welcome to yet another well-wisher of the school, Manager Professor Suri, for coming here to grace the occasion and boosting our morals. Welcome, sir. But what has made this event see the light of the day is the able guidance and supervision of our esteemed headmistress, Aditi ma'am. Welcome, ma'am. Your constant encouragement made it a comfortable ride for us. Dear guest, you will be glad to know that at Daisy Dales, we give equal importance and opportunities to our students. Thus, the achievements of our learners is valued by their talents and capabilities. Values and attitude that promote gender equality can be developed at the early stages of life itself, such that it contributes to the overall progress of the nation. In fact, our school is a systemized institution where we inculcate good moral values and provide equal opportunities to our children in a more effective manner. At Daisy Dales, we take care to foster an atmosphere of equality in our school campus, whether it be for our students or teachers. Students are nurtured to respect one another regardless of any discrimination. Realizing the significant role of education in achieving the goals of equality and creating opportunities for its children to lead a dignified life, we create modules to promote environment sensitivity amongst these young impressionable minds. Our school incorporates these in their true spirit. Excellence in sports activities is a recognition presented by our school to acknowledge the individual and team athletic achievements and other sports-related performances of its shining sports stars. In future too, the school proposes to incorporate more of such programs as a part of the curriculum. I conclude here with a well-known quote, "We can never win unless we begin." Let us from this moment begin to strive for a better future. Let us pledge to imbibe good moral values to make our nation the place to live in. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. It is my honor to welcome our distinguished chief guest, Mr. Jyoti Kalash. Welcome, sir. Your presence has graced the occasion and boosted our morals. Mr. Jyoti Kalash is an IAS from Nagaland cadre and is presently posted as Resident Commissioner of Nagaland House, New Delhi. He has worked with General Insurance Corporation, Indian Statistical Service, Indian Forest Service, and got into civil services exams in all the three attempts, making to Indian Railway Traffic Service and the present Indian Administrative Service. A university topper in statistics honors in both graduation and post-graduation from Patna University, Mr. Kalash is doing a PhD in disaster management from Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University. Important assignments of Mr. Kalash in Nagaland include his services as a sub-divisional officer, deputy commissioner, managing director of Nagaland Industrial Development Corporation, commissioner for higher education and home secretary. While on central deputation, his assignments includes director for school education in the Ministry of Human Resource Development, private secretary to Union Minister of State for Heavy Industries, Director in the Ministry of Heavy Industries, and Director of Internal Security and Human Rights in the Ministry of Home Affairs. Besides, Mr. Kalash had diplomatic assignments in the Embassy of India, Brussels, Belgium, and have also worked as advisor in the Ministry of Higher Education, Government of Afghanistan, and handled media and publicity wing for the presidential office in Afghanistan. Furthermore, he has acted in a number of Bhojpuri and few Hindi movies. His recent script, Hum Bhi Insaan Hai, has been registered by the prestigious Hindi Writers Association of a Hindi movie. He has been conferred with the Udyog Ratna Award, Rising Personality of India Award, etc. Welcome, sir. Your presence has truly graced the glorious event today. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. A very special day today greets us as we take the honor to welcome you all to yet another glorious occasion of our school's annual day program.
Good morning. Heartiest welcome to all the distinguished guests, chief guests, valued parent and invitees, teachers and dear students. Welcome.
School is not only a place where children learn reading and writing, it is also a place where they learn to get along with other people and develop social skills.
Indeed, social skills play a very important role in a child's emotional health and well-being. Most of the things we need to learn are best learned while working with others and not from a textbook or a lecture.
In fact, research has taught us that second only to family, school is the most stabilizing force in the lives of young people.
On this note, we begin this splendid journey today as we tread our way to a variety of colorful performances awaiting us on the dais.
Light symbolizes knowledge, while darkness represents ignorance. Knowledge removes ignorance, just as light removes darkness. Hence we light the lamp in reverence to knowledge as the greatest form of wealth.
I request our Honorable Chairman, Sir, Chief Guest and Principal Ma'am to please come near the stage and do the honors of lighting the ceremonial lamp. Welcome all.
with a scintillating performance by young girls of class 8 performing on the beats of Chari dance.
Chari dance, a famous dance of females of Rajasthan, is a significance of goodness and is also known as a welcome dance. Girls carry brass pots on their heads and balance it to perfection. Often these lamps are kept ignited with cotton seeds dipped in oil to display a beautiful effect in the dark night.
लाड़ प्यार
Thank you, girls. Indeed, an auspicious start of the day.
Moving further, in order to succeed, student needs to feel that they belong in their school. People call this sense of belonging as school engagement, school attachment, or school bonding.
A few qualities that influences a child's positive attachment to school and are highly predictive of success in the school are a sense of belonging in the school and being part of it, liking the school, perceiving that teachers are supportive and caring, having good friends within school, believing that discipline in the school is fair and effective, and participating in the extracurricular activities.
Inviting on stage the head boy Ashish Singh and head girl Maliha Ashraf of the primary and middle section of the school to share their views and an insight on the life of students at Daisy Dales.
Good morning, everyone. I, Ashish Singh, head boy, primary and middle section of the school, feel extremely privileged and honored to have been given a chance to present my feelings in front of you all on this prestigious occasion of our school's annual day program. Life is a school. We never stop learning. The years we spend in a classroom are the major part of the formative growth of an individual, both personality-wise and character-wise. School is the basic foundation of knowledge being imparted to a child. It gives a chance to its children to acquire knowledge in various fields of education. Meeting new people and socializing broadens the parameters of knowledge. Attending school gives us a chance to meet children of our age, while some remain just classmates and some become good friends for lifetime. Developing hobbies, refining them, learning basic etiquettes, getting skilled at multitasking, developing social skills are some of the many things that our school equips its students with. At Daisy Dales, we are provided with a stable, caring, engaging, and welcoming environment. We learn to focus on our goals and to channelize them in the right directions. Schooling plays such an important role in shaping not only our future, but also us as confident individuals of tomorrow. With the support of the school management and its dedicated teachers, we have learned to become conscious and committed towards creating a society free from injustices and prejudices. We are nurtured to respect each other, regardless of any gender or cultural bias. Our school introduces its learners to a multitude of opportunities. From early on, we are exposed to different nationalities, cultures, and traditions that help us to shape the viewpoint of the world around us. Field trips and interactive projects let us try out new things, while each subject gives us a taste of what could await us in the future. A variety of extracurricular opportunities improve every youngster's appetite for the future. All these experiences help to develop our interest, build self-esteem, and shape the course of our later academic and professional life. On behalf of the entire student fraternity at the primary and middle section, I extend gratitude to all the teachers for spreading education, guiding us, helping us realize our potential, and teaching us how to overcome hurdles and live life in a better way. Thank you.
Good morning, respected guests and parents. I am Maliha Ashraf, head girl, primary and middle section of the school. It gives me immense pleasure to address you on the glorious occasion of our school's annual day program. School, for most of us, refers to an institution where students enroll to acquire formal education and to prepare themselves to face the challenges of life. A very important aspect of schooling is the acquisition of values like honesty, discipline, punctuality, etc., which are imparted to us by our teachers.